Ano meaning ng territory? Ang meaning ng territory ay isang pagmamay-ari na hindi talaga makukuha ng kahit na sino man. Kasi pinapasa na yan from generations to generations hanggang naging sayo, hanggang napamanan ng pamilya na sayo. 'Di ba? Except lang kung babae ka. Kaya example, Moira. Ano pinagmamay-ari niya? Yung apelyido niya, Moira Territory. Pero nagpakasal man yan siya kay Andrew A. So ang pangalan nila, Moira A. Keep up the good work. Why only the keep up? Why only the keep up? Why only the Koreans is the good work? How about the Filipinos? How about the P-pop here? The SB19, the Binibini, the Bin. They're also doing a good work because they are a OFW. Huh? They are going to the international just to provide healthcare to the community, huh? What is dandruff? Yun guys, yung kumakatik ka na lang talaga sa ulo mo kasi yung mahirap talaga yung lesson nyo, yung mahirap talaga yung physics tapos sinabihan ka pa ng teacher nyo. Kung hindi mo kaya mag-aral, then drop out. Why are you wasting the money of your parents? Can you translate I shitteru to English? Okay. Konnichiwa minasang, hajimemashite. Arigatou gozaimasu for that wonderful question. So, ashiteru is a Japanese word, like Japanese term of like someone saying to you, I love you, and your reaction is like, really? I cannot believe it. Is it true or is it false? What? Please confirm ASAP. Alcoholic ka po ba? Ikaw, alcoholic ka ba? Ako kasi, no? Kasi, no? Kasi yung mga mabaho, yung mga madudumi, huwag natin yan itolerate. Casino dapat tayo dyan. Casino to everyone. Casino. Ba't ka andi rito? Siguro binigyan mo ako ng motibo na para magbagong buhay. No? Kasi noon ako ay isang dakilang nilalam na maraming natutunan. Pero nung dumating ka sa aking buhay, Casino. What's the spirit? I think it's impossible because the spirit is like I cannot watch it because it's invisible. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just a human. Kuya, pwede magtanong magkano yung ticket papuntang Oslo?
100 na po.
100?
100.
Patay, wala akong pera. Kuya, pwede na lang, sayawan na lang kita. Sayawan na lang kita.
Bawal po. Bawal po.
Bawal mag-8-8.
8.
Ano po ang offender? Offender means from the Disney Channel, it means love. Pagmamahal, pag-ibig. You know? Because from the movie Frozen, they sing there, when I'm with you, love is an offender, like that.